510 axles at a speed of 34 miles an hour? Cool, dude. We're gonna have a long train today. Good afternoon, everybody. How's everybody doing today on this Monday afternoon? This is Bradley here. Today is December 16th, 2024, just about 9 days before Christmas. Current time is now 3:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Temperatures is in the 50s with showers in the area. Yes, folks, we got some rain showers today. Guess what, everybody? My CFE radio just went off for a CFE railroad detector. We're going to have 510 axles at a speed of 34 miles an hour with 510 axles. And this train is known as CFE-09. Get ready to proceed from Adams to Cole on main track. Proceed from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. I'm here at Market Street Railroad Crossing at milepost 287.3 here in Wert. This is going to be an eastbound CFE train. Yep, that's him. I think he's getting ready to get closer to the diamond right now. CFE-09 should probably get ready to clear the diamond in just a little bit. Yes, folks, we're going to have 510 axles. That means we're going to probably have a long train here. Railroad crossing signal should probably get ready to start probably less than about a minute or two. Yeah, that's him. He's probably at the diamond right now. Oh, that must be him. Oh, I hear the signals going off for Washington Street. All right, he's already probably cleared the diamond right now. Signals where I'm at should probably get ready to start probably less than... Signals are probably get ready to start probably less than about 15 seconds or 20 seconds. Oh, I can hear him coming. I can hear that roar. He's coming. Signal should probably get ready to start in less than 10 seconds. Oh, I can hear him coming. I can hear that roar. He's coming. Current time's now 3:20. Got a CFE train coming. I can hear that roar. He's coming. Look, there goes the signals. All right, everybody, here he comes. Here comes the eastbound. Oh, here he comes. I can hear that roar. I can hear the roar of that train, baby. All right, here he comes. I can hear the roar. Here he comes. I can hear that roar. $70.65. This is a mixed fright. I'm here at Market Street Railroad Crossing. Here, milepost 287.3 here in Van Wert. This is an eastbound CFE train. This is an eastbound. He's heading to Lima. Must came all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yes, everyone, this is an eastbound. He's proceeding from Adams to Cole on main track. Proceeding from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. The lead unit is 7065 CFE with a 299 CFE. This is an eastbound, proceed from Adams to Cole on main track, proceed from Fort Wayne to Lima here on the CFE main track, here in Van Wert. And this train is known as CFE-09. We got 510 axles at a speed of 34 miles an hour. Proceed from Adams to Cole on main track, proceed from Fort Wayne to Lima. Here on the CFE main track, here in Van Wert. Oh look folks, we got some steel. Got a little bit of grain and mixed freight. He's already passed milepost 287 here in Van Wert. Yep, proceed from Adams to Cole. Adams is in milepost 315, and Cole's at 261. Yep, that's like about 55 miles of railroad here between Fort Wayne and Lima, here on the CFE main track here in Van Wert. Van Wert's at milepost 287 here in Van Wert. 287 and 288. Oh, I love that graffiti right there on the cover hopper, dude. Current time's now 3:25. Just about 5 minutes before the bottom of the hour, or 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We got a CFE grain mixed freight train here on the CFE main track here in Van Wert. Here at Market Street Railroad crossing at milepost 287.3 here in Van Wert. This is a eastbound CFE mixed freight train with grain with 510 axles at a speed of 34 miles an hour. Proceed from Adams to Cole. Oh, there's the last car. All right, there you go. Santa Torch for Lima. I'm here at Market Street Railroad crossing. Here at milepost 287.3 here in Van Wert. This has been an eastbound CFE grain mixed freight train. This is an eastbound. He's headed to Lima. Must came all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yes, everyone, this has been an eastbound. He's proceed from Adams to Cole on main track. Proceed from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. The lead unit was 7065 CFE with a 29 CFE. This has been an eastbound. Proceed from Adams to Cole on main track. Proceed from Fort Wayne to Lima here on the CFE main track here in Van Wert. And this train was known as CFE-09. It had 510 axles at a speed of 34 miles an hour. Well, everybody, I hope you're really enjoying this train. I'll get more trains again soon. Hope you all subscribe to my channel. Give it a comment what you think about the trains on the railroad. And all those railroad and weather spotters and everybody out there, you all stay safe. You all be careful out there. All right, well, you all have yourself a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays since we're only 9 days away. All right, stay tuned for more train videos. All right, thank you. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. All right, thank you. All right, bye.